Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna give you guys the Sellfy print on demand honest review. So a few things that you're gonna get for from them is they already have a lot of marketing tools built in, and then the products optimization. Then as you can see, they have this thing integrated, so you don't have to go ahead and create a separate section. They already have a separate section for this, and you can sell custom merchandise without needing inventory, things like that. And same thing goes for here, but the drawbacks are that it is overly basic because it's comparatively newer, so they don't have much more customizations as compared to some other ones. And then they also have very limited analytics and integrations because still it is in its newer version, so a lot of things need to be changed. And then there's always this mandatory Sellfy branding. If you want it to be removed, you need to go to a higher tier plan. Other than that, it just keeps showing it, which is very unprofessional. And right over here they also say that if you're doing digital goods, built-in marketing, cheaper costs, Sellfy is a better option. But if you have multiple and variety of products, in that case Shopify should be a good option for you. So I'll say if you have to go with something right now, Shopify is the best thing to go because it is proven. A lot of it has the most user base, and the support team and everything is perfect. If you're stuck with a problem, you can easily Google it or YouTube it to find it, but that not might be the case with Sellfy yet. So yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.